Before Dr. Chauhan comes, Pragya wanted to read a formal profile of Dr. Chauhan, which the whole world knows. But I'm going to read a profile of Dr. Chauhan, which very few of you know about it. I was on the airport at Dubai, because the flight was such that you have to go via Dubai. And at the Dubai airport, I found this book, where it was written Types of Leaders. So being myself a professor, I thought that maybe that I should purchase this book. So while I was going through this book, which has been written by a well-known international thinker, Delpy, who has given the leadership theorem, I just glanced through that book and I found that there was a chapter number 10 in which it was written, the greatest leaders of leaders in the world will be those with the heart of Mother Teresa, with the mind of Albert Einstein, with the attitude of and capabilities of Bill Gates, and with the willpower of the people like Dr. Ashok Chauhan. While giving the eight great leaders of the world, which includes Bill Gates, Mr. Franklin, Hitler, Osama bin Laden, Bill Clinton, Steve Jobs, Bodhidharma, Muhammad, the ninth person which he has mentioned is Dr. Ashok Chauhan. Please listen to this great visionary, the most humble man, the man who went to Germany with just 4 pounds sterling and created an empire of $2 billion, a man who has shown to the whole world that through the education, through the knowledge revolution, you can also make an educational university a multinational corporation. Dr. Ashok Chauhan.
While I sat in my car at Defense Colony, AKC House, and the driver would not start the car. मैंने बोला जल्दी चलो भाई, कहता सर बताया तो नहीं कहाँ जाना है. Then I told, so this is in lives of each one of us. When we know or when we come to know where we have to reach, then it is easier to reach. You know, how innocent was driver, I have not told him and I am telling him. And so the God must be asking us always, gentlemen, ladies, where you want to go. So I think all those who are sitting over here have one thing similar. All sitting in the stage, sitting downside, one thing similar. They know very well where to go. What is the ultimate aim? Professor Gurinder has told about MIT Austin, Mauritius, and you have heard about the excellence, achievements, what MIT has achieved. I was remembering one story. You must have heard in Bombay, there are dadas, these strong muscle people, those ugrahi karte, you must have heard it. There were two, they have distributed the range. This is South Range, this is North Range. Apne area mein, they collect the money. Once the dada from this range came to dada of this range, इनका नाम था लल्ले भाई और उनके नाम था बड़े मियाँ. तो लल्ले भाई बड़े मियाँ उनका नाम था, उसका बड़े ये लल्ले भाई था, उनका नाम था दादा. Just remember that is लल्ले भाई और दादा. तो दादा came to this area and told लल्ले भाई, you have to give me 50% of your collections. 50% of your collections. लल्ले भाई ने कहा तुम्हारा एरिया वो है, मेरा एरिया ये है, तो why you are demanding from me my 50%? You go to your range and I will not give you. तो लल्ले भाई बोलते हैं तुम तुरंत वापस चले जाओ, नहीं तो तुम्हें यहीं जिंदा काट दूंगा, तुम्हें यहीं जिंदा काट दूंगा. और वो जो दादा थे, he was 4 times stronger than लल्ले भाई, 4 times stronger, bigger, with robust. तो इसके लोग पूछते हैं यार तुमने कह तो दिया, तुम्हें वो एक चाटा मारते तो तुम 4 फीट जाके पड़ते, तुमने ये कैसे हिम्मत कर दी? कहता तुम लोग सब बेवकूफ हो, मैंने इसलिए कह दिया कि तुम लोग मेरे पीछे खड़े हो, इसलिए कह दिया. मैं अकेला होता तो मैं उसके पैर पकड़ लेता. तो when I say I will make the MIT University best in the world, many have difficulty in believing in first go. Some have difficulty in believing in second go, but in third go they believe. So why I say it, when I see you people sitting over here, my HR managers, my HR directors, the HR heads. So I have no doubt with all these persons sitting on stage, Ms. Anne Frank is there, Christian is there. Christian is our knowledge partner, training partner from US and Switzerland for these 30,000 volunteers we have trained and 2,000 officers. And I have heard people saying nothing went right in Commonwealth Games, only the training which Dr. Chauhan did was the only thing which went okay. So Mr. Christian, thank you very much for this wonderful job. So why I was telling, seeing you in front of me, I have no doubt that MIT will be the #1 university in the world. Now you must be thinking, there are Harvard, Cambridge, Oxford, Yale, Princeton, Harvard where my one son is studying, Wharton where other son is studying. So how can Dr. Chauhan dare to say it? But if anybody has the slightest doubt about this, come to me. I will tell you the secret formula, how I, together with you, would do it. And after you hear me, my formula, you will have no doubt that MIT is going to be the #1 in the university. Yesterday, one student from one of my MIT business school was brought to me, one lady student. I had difficulty believing it. There was a competition at IIM or ISB, I don't know. You know ISB Hyderabad, IIM Ahmedabad, I don't know. 420 management students came there for a competition, 420. From, I think, 40, 50 business schools or more all over the country. And I was presented a girl who was selected as the best budding manager in the country. Can you believe it? I am telling it. I tell many times, what about IIMs? What about ISB? You people are in every respect better and you will rise in career better. So I am very happy that this example took place. And now I secret to you, don't take it out of this room. You people, you my students are better than that business school. So if that lady can be selected as best budding manager of the country, then I think you can be equally good. So I'm very happy to see you all here. I will tell to my HR managers, one concern in my life. When I would go up, each one has to someday go up. Someday. Then there is an interview. The God takes an interview. He asks, what did you do? What was your aim? What was your mission? So God will ask me one question. Did you know the HR professionals in India, HR directors, HR managers? I can't reply yes. I have to say only yes. I will tell not only I knew, they had full sympathy for me, for Professor Gurinder Singh, for MIT as a whole. And the God will ask, when it is so, Dr. Chauhan, did you change the country? Did you change the world? What can I reply? If I will say no, he will say go to that area which is hell, nark. And if I will say yes, I change the world with the help of these HR experts, he will ask me to sit on sofa and ask me, do you want a cup of tea or cold drink or juice? My dear students, my dear all worthy presents from MIT, we have given so many interviews, but that interview will be the most crucial interview and most important interview. So my dear students, I will not take much time because I want to listen my worthy students. Have the conviction, have the confidence that nobody in the world, from any business school in the world, is equally good as you are. If you don't believe, come to me, I will make you to believe, or you make me to believe that I am wrong. I am too optimistic. I will do it, and with you people, have confidence that you people are going to change the country, you people are going to change the world. I am very happy that my brother, Mr. Arun Chauhan, is here with the team of BSI. Mr. Arun Chauhan is my brother number 3. We have 4 brothers. People call me C1. He is C3. He is a great expert of finance, great expert of law, has manufacturing units, and a pillar of strength for the family. He is the chairperson of Asia Pacific and India Central Advisory Council, CAC, and Mr. Anne Frank is the managing director from UK. So they have been with us at Sector 125. On my request, they are here. We'll give a big clap to the BSI team. Again, my great thanks all from industry. We teach them a lot of things, but their career, their success, their progress will depend upon you people. I humbly request you to guide my students. You will have a lot of satisfaction in addition to your big responsibility, big jobs, that you are transforming the students, those who will transform the country and change the world. Thank you very much.